Welcome to MeetingOne University. In this lesson, we're going to go over how to use integrated MeetingOne audio with an Adobe Connect room as a host. Let's begin. After the host has selected which audio options they want to enable for attendees joining their room, select the audio conference icon to start meeting audio. To receive a direct dial from the room to join, first enter your local phone number. Please note that only a direct phone number can be entered. Calls cannot be made to a number that contain an extension. After you enter your number, select Call Me. You'll receive a phone call from the room from the MeetingOne audio bridge. When you answer, you'll be prompted to press 1 to enter the conference.
Press 1 to enter the conference.
After you press 1, you'll join the audio conference.
You are now the conference host.
To dial into the audio conference, follow the instructions listed on your screen. First, dial the access number, then when prompted, enter the room number, followed by the pound key. When dialing in as the host, there is a step that is not listed, and that is to enter the 6-digit host PIN, followed by the pound sign. Once you have dialed in, you will next need to identify yourself. In the Attendee pod, you'll see instructions on the code to enter on your phone keypad in order to identify yourself and merge your name and your phone number together. Once this step has been completed, you'll hear a musical cue, and a phone icon will now appear next to your name in the Attendee pod. A host can also merge their phone number together with their name by first selecting your name and then the phone number. Once both have been selected, click Merge Users. The host can do this for other attendees as well, but only the host can complete this step. To join via your microphone, you can select Computer and Device. We would strongly recommend next selecting the meeting title drop-down menu and then Speaker and Microphone Setup. This setup process will ensure that your microphone is connected properly and being read by Adobe Connect, and also will provide a quick sound check. The whole process takes less than a minute to complete. To mute an individual attendee, select the participant in the Attendee pod, then select Mute. You can also unmute them by selecting their name again and choosing Unmute. To quickly mute all attendees, you can select the Audio Conference drop-down menu and then select Enable Lecture Mode. This will put all attendees who have joined by phone on mute and disable the microphones for all computer and device attendees. You can also mute attendees as well by selecting the 3-dot menu in the Attendee pod and then selecting Mute All Attendees. For attendees who have joined by phone, you can adjust their volume to make them louder or quieter. In the Attendee pod, select the participant whose volume you want to change, and then select Phone Volume. You can raise it, or you can lower it depending upon your preference. Last, when you are ready to end the meeting and disconnect all phone lines and all microphones, select the power icon in the upper right-hand corner and select End Session. This will close the Adobe Connect room and disconnect all attendees' audio as well. Thank you for watching. For more information and additional tutorials, visit our website at meetingone.com.